Hello everyone, my name is Kumudini and you are watching my English YouTube channel Learner to Learner, where I upload English content video that is helpful to everyone who wants to learn English and who want to speak English confidently. So today is the 7th day of our 1 week challenge. So this is the last day our 1 week challenge. So friends, consistency creates and develop progress. Sometimes some people feel if there is not showing any result after consistency, they quit. But when those persons are not looking at only result, their consistency, even the result is showing slow, they get success. Yes, it's right. Yes, so don't skip or don't leave even if you are not achieving any result. You consistency in your way. One day we will get our result. Yeah, that is called consistency. Need, and if you want to achieve, there is a need consistency. You may have heard the phrase that success does not come over the night. It takes time. Yes, we can't get success in a one day or at a night, overnight. Okay, so for that, consistency play important role to achieve anything. Yes, consistency means showing up every single day. Okay, even you are not like it, if you are not feel good, but there is also need consistency. Okay, it means taking small steps on regular basis. Yes, then we can get success. Don't wait for the perfect time. Now you can start your journey. If you want to speak English, so you have to start now. Don't wait for the perfect time, and do practice on regular basis. Even don't skip or don't leave one day. Yes, if you want to fluent and if you want to be a pro in speaking English. So friends, consistency creates and develop progress. Sometimes some people feel if there is not showing any result after consistency, they quit. But when those persons are not looking at only result, their consistency, even the result is showing slow, they get success. Yes, it's right. Yes, so don't skip or don't leave even if you are not achieving any result. You consistency in your way. One day we will get our result. Yeah, that is called consistency. Need, and if you want to achieve, there is a need consistency. So friends, consistency give result, consistency give discipline, and consistency also strengthening our confidence, and it upgrade our challenge and it upgrade our knowledge. So consistency is very important and consistency play important role. So friends, no need to be perfect, need to be consistency. Yes, it's right. Yes, you are hearing me right. There is no need to be perfect, but there is a need to be a consistency. Already I told you consistency play a vital role in our success. So friends, if you don't have so much time, you can give 5 minutes or 10 minutes for your English. It may be also change drastically in your speaking English. So please give your 5 or 10 minutes at least in a one day on regular basis. It gives you result. So don't be delay. Start your journey from today. Okay, if you are watching my video, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait. Yes, now 2025 will going to be end. Yes, in December. So I will start from 2026. Don't wait for that. You will start today, now. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I think everyone like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe. We'll grow together, and one day we will speak English like a pro. Bye. Wait, friends. 1 minute. I want to say one thing extra, that is for your homework. You have to make 1 minute video. Yes, all of you know, if you are watching my video means you have already a phone. Okay, so take your mobile and record your voice for 1 minute only and watch it again. Okay, then comment me how you feel and how is your English. Okay, so bye.